Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on Motorola Razr 60. So first go into the settings, then find the battery, and here the battery saver, and enable the standard battery saver. Also right here you can schedule it. Then go right here into the charge protection and enable the overcharge protection. Then into the display, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, enable the dark theme, also shorten the screen timeout to around 1 minute, scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Wi-Fi, mobile data or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.